Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 5th Subject English.
Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back. The previous class we have seen lesson 5 in your grammar book. I hope all you have completed the book back exercise and revised that lesson. In this class we are going to learn unit 3 in your course book. I hope all you know already we have completed 2 units in your course book. Today we are going to learn third unit A part. The topic of the lesson is my family is fond of gadgets. Again I repeat, my family is fond of gadgets. It is written by Ken Nesbitt. So this is a poetry. Now all of you take your course book and take page number 48. Shall we start? Be ready. Dear students, every unit has 3 parts. It has the same theme. For example, for the first unit, there are 3 topics. It is a bond of family is a central theme. Of course, the second unit, tales and fiction. Now we are going to learn third unit. The third unit, all the main topics, the main content is the world of science. So science, without science we can't live nowadays. For everywhere we can see science. Yes, that we all know. So what are the things we have get from the science and whether it is useful or not? See, there are so many invention and discoveries. We cannot imagine the world without science or its numerous applications. But the science and the invention have their own share of good and bad. So this is only we are going to learn the 3 topics. Okay, be ready. Dear students, take page number 48. My family is fond of gadgets. So it is written by Ken Nesbitt. So know about the author. He was born in 1962, the writer of humorous poetry and stories for children. His main concept is humor. Humor means, the general, it is a comedy is the main concept. Okay. So here, he written the poem about the family. We all love our family. Yes, here they are given about the different kind of family. It is happen nowadays in all our home. See. Are you fond of gadgets? The market is full of them. Which one is your favorite? Gadgets means what? Gadgets means a mechanical or electric device. It is like mobile phones, TV and all headphones, everything. Whatever we have in our home, this is known as a gadgets. Mainly we are used mobile phone nowadays. Even for the online class, we are using gadgets only. Correct? See, this poetry is a very simple, at the same time very humorous poem. Listen carefully. My family is fond of gadgets and new technology. My mother's like her radio. My father's likes TV. My sister likes to dance around the house with headphones on. My brother plays on his PC until break of dawn. The baby has a smartphone and a touchscreen tablet too. If we had pets, I'm sure that even they would have a few. So, think. So this is only happen now. See, in all we are having so many gadgets in our home. It is occupied our home. It is reduced our talk and communication with the family members. Is it correct? See, my family is a fond. Fond means love. Love of gadgets, a new technology. Technology, My mother likes her radio. So see the picture, you can understand. What does the mother have in her hand? Radio. Father, yes, watching TV. And one brother, he is play with the tab, and one brother is watching computer. Okay. And one girl is had a headphone and she danced. This is from the picture you can know the house is full of occupied by gadgets. So mother likes her radio, my father likes TV. My sister likes to dance around the house with headphones on. She had the headphones on the ear. My brother plays on his PC, computer until break of dawn. The baby has a smartphone. See the picture. The baby also even play with the smartphone and a touchscreen tablet too. If we have pets, the author said, my family full of gadgets. if we have the pets even, they must have a few gadgets in your home. This is a condition now happened in every home. So thus a humorous way the poet share about the occupation of the gadgets. Okay, clear? One more time I read, listen it. My family is fond of gadgets and new technology. My mother likes her radio, my father likes TV. My sister likes to dance around the house with headphones on. My brother plays on his PC until the break of dawn. The baby has a smartphone and a touchscreen tablet too. If we had pets, I'm sure that even would have a few. So you can understand what is going on in the home. Now turn page number 49. Page number 49. We chat with instant messaging, we email and we text. We are always looking forward to the gadget we will get next. The power went out recently, the days felt like no other. Our screens went blank and strange but true. We talked to one another. So, this is a very humorous on the first part. At the same time, we think about ourselves because most of the time we are spend our time with the gadgets only, not with the family. So the emotions, happy, everything we shared only the nowadays we are shared only through the social media. So here the poet said it is not good. He said we chat with instant messaging. You know how to message, and we get email and we text the reply. We are always looking forward to the gadgets we will get next. So what is our favorite gadgets? Only we go through. If we are very favorite and we are having TV, always we are watching the TV, not spend with our father and mother. And of course computer, mobile phone, everything, it occupies our most of the time. So this is really worst. The power went out recently. So if it is any day, if the power went out, the day is like no other. We felt very bad on the day. We all felt in the same thing when the power off. Our screens went blank and strange but true. But if it is any sudden day or the power cut, what we should have in our mind, we talk to one another. On the day only we are spent with our family member. So this is only the poet share in that poem. Very conceptual poem. Listen. So what we learn should from the poem. So just spend with the time with our family members. We share our happy or share anything to our father, mother. If you do this, like the child will become the good thing in their life. Okay, this is only the poet want to share to us. So I hope all were understood the poem. All of you read one more time, you could understood. Again I read, listen. We chat with instant messaging, we email and we text. We are always looking forward to gadget we will get next. The power went out recently, the day was like no other. Our screens went black and strange but true. We talked to one another. Already I told who's the writer of the poem, Ken Nesbitt. Okay, and they are given the word Becker. It means there are so many words meaning they are given. Gadgets means already I told a mechanical or electronical device. Okay, and a technology, a application of science to everyday life. Headphone, a pair of earphone held over the head with band. Smartphone, cell phone with additional functions. Touch screen, screen or computer which can be operated by touching the screen. Okay, so all of you read this poem and study the meanings what is given in your book bag. The question answer we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you.